Lamborghini Urus right here. Looks really good in the gloss black. This one has the gunmetal wheels on it, which kind of flow. Pretty cool with the back silver diffuser. It is gonna be wrapped a really different cool color, but for now it's been lowered and it has spacers on there to push out the factory wheels. Anytime you lower a car, the wheels are gonna camber in. You're gonna wanna space them out. Even without lowering, you wanna space them out. It just, from factory, they love to be conservative with fitment, but it looks so much more aggressive now. It looks more like a Lambo. More on this one later, but on to the next one.
Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Nice, huh?
Wash the car after.
Okay. Dude, the front is so sick. It's like super plush. Custom RDB caps coming?
For it.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, next
Behind me, this beautiful Mercedes E-Convertible. This is from the 90s. We repainted the entire car to the factory gloss black color. So it looks beautiful now. It's all these 17-inch wheels, retro style wheels. Complete interior was redone, so the interior looks brand new. All the mechanicals done up. Suspension is all brand new. Engine runs beautifully. Really awesome car. It's gonna head to its owner tomorrow.
What do you do?
Nothing.
Nothing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good that you know. What's your name?
John Gotti?
Your name is John Gotti?
Yeah.
Hey, he said his name is John Gotti. John Gotti at Krispy Kreme's. Mano on the camera, this is the kind of footage I get. Why even, why even sitting?
This is a massage chair.
I know, but what time is it?
I don't know, what time is it? Huh? It's not, it can't be 5:10, it's 5:10.
It's 5:08, but I tried to give you 2 minutes more. 5:08,
oh, you said 5:10.
No, I was trying to say 5:08.
So it's 5,010 minutes? And Joey's on break too.
I want donuts.
Wonder why you don't have a camera.
Hey, I want donuts.
You want donuts? Here, why don't you ask Pillsbury Doughboy over here?
I want steak.
Steak?
Steak.
So you want meat?
Yes.
All right, I'll give you some meat. It's monocam, bro. Hey, when it's monocam, I have to get the most embarrassing moments. Like, let me zoom into your eyebrow.
It does look like Michelin.
Dude, they look like caterpillars.
I think Sarkis looks like Vader from wrestling. Vader, a very popular wrestler. You're gonna die. Come here. You gotta leave. Back to work. Monday. It is crazy busy today. We have a lot of mechanical today. So this is one of the cars that we have completed. This is a Hyundai Elantra. We have brand new spark plugs, brand new coil pack in here. along with all the filters that are changed, AC service. This car's a wrap. We're just driving it, make sure it's okay, and there's no misfires. Vicks everywhere. We're about to try the power of this Hyundai just to make sure it's good. Hey, it's not fair. I need a 30 car head start to try to keep up with that.
The Mclaren 720S Spider. This is the newly released 720 convertible hardtop. The top takes, I forget, 7 or 10 seconds to come down or up. One of the fastest in the world. We just finished up putting 2021-inch Brixton forged wheels. We just did a SVJ with the same exact wheels. So again, gold polish, looks really cool on this Mclaren 720S. It's got loads of carbon fiber stock. Really, really fast car, just like the coupe. But now you get to have the open top experience with that power on tap. So really crazy car. We're just finishing it up now. We might be lowering it next. I feel like McLarens, whenever you do wheels, you gotta lower them. So unfortunately, we got that gap right now. So in the near future, hopefully we'll lower this thing and maybe add a few little carbon fiber pieces to beefing it up.
The car is good, the driving is good, but I'm scared.
Remember the other day I was filming the truck and you came and you interrupted me?
Yeah.
And I said next time you get in the car, I'm gonna drive fast. And next time you go inside a car with me, I'm not gonna drive slow.
Why?
You'll see.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Get me out.
What?
Get me out. Where's the laundry mat? Hey. Hey, you, huh? See? Hey. Okay, let me out. Where is it? Oh, that's a few but scared. I'm scared. Where's my money?